Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over how to create an announcement channel. So one thing about creating an announcement channel is that you do need to have your server be public. One of those things that you have to have before you have the option to create that channel. So just be aware of that and see if you can use either the text channel or the voice channel for that specific purpose. So let's go ahead and go over here to create channel. And then we can go down to announcement. So I am going to label this announcement. Very creative. And then create channel. And then there you go. You can edit some of the channel here and change all the permissions. One thing that you can do to kind of take back the privacy of this channel is make it an age-restricted channel. So that way, if you are posting some adult content on here or content that you don't want children to see, then you can toggle that on there. Other than that, you'll have the regular permissions. You can toggle that on to private as well to take some of that permission back. But that is how you create an announcement channel. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the playlist down below.